You're on the move, huh, kiddo? You are on the move. Where are you going? I don't know if you're going to have much traction on the hardwood floor. Ugh, you just want to go. Are we going to have a swimmer on our hands? Maybe if I kick, I'll go faster. Oh, I want to move so bad. Where you going? Where you going? Huh? Where you going, kiddo? Are you trying to leave us? Are you heading for the door? You've had enough? You've had enough? You're out of here?
No, it's weird. There's a note there.
Where are you going?
It's in the fine print. Oh, what a drag, dude. T-Mobile's unlimited family plan. Unlimited calling and messaging for a price starting.
Come on over. Come and get me. Come on. Did you run out of gas? Do you need a refill? You ran out of traction, didn't you? Back the other way. Go back the other way now. Oh, that's gonna hurt your toes. Don't kick the floor. It's gonna hurt your toes. Give me a smile. Hey, over here. Look at you.
Start again. Keep going.
I worked so hard to get over there, Daddy.
Start again. You could do it, Papa. You could do it. Yes. Yes, you can. You can rip the crap out of that book. Did you see that book?
Did he rip it?
It's completely torn up right there. Bit like chewed on.
He's hungry. Oh, forget the book. There's video games on.
Are you keeping that?
Get your foot out of there. Get your foot away from his face.
I want you to get my sexy legs in the shot. No. Now go away. Are you on the internet?
No.